When your Straight Talk phone displays SOS or emergency calls only, it means it can't connect to the regular network, limiting you to emergency services. This often happens due to SIM or eSIM issues or incorrect carrier settings. First, try the quickest fix. Power cycle your phone by turning it off, waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on. If that doesn't work for physical SIM cards, power off the phone, remove and reinsert the SIM card, then power back on. For eSIM profiles, go to your phone's settings under Cellular or Mobile Data, find your eSIM profile, and try deleting and re-adding it. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection when re-adding an eSIM, as activation requires internet access. If these steps don't restore service, the problem likely lies with your carrier settings or a deeper network issue. If basic SIM troubleshooting fails, reset your network settings. This option is typically found under Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. The exact path may vary slightly depending on your phone's make and model. After the reset, use the Straight Talk app to automatically update your carrier settings. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version for the best results. The app often provides guided steps for resolving connectivity issues. If problems persist, check Straight Talk's website to verify your IMEI is compatible with their network and confirm your plan is active. If none of these steps work, the issue may be beyond user fixes, potentially involving a network outage or account problem. Contact Straight Talk support through their website or customer service line. Be prepared to provide your account details and IMEI number for faster support.